You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this fruit. If you want to learn more food names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you that are incredible, that you're going to love. Let's learn. There's two different ways of pronouncing it. Lychee, or it can also be pronounced as Lychee. Now, I believe from Chinese originally, Asian languages, it's more pronounced there as Lychee, but in English, it can also be pronounced as Lychee. So two pronunciations in English, how to pronounce Lychee or Lychee. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.